All right, well, it's been a beautiful couple days here with the snow coming down. There's supposed to be more, but the one problem with being off grid and it's snowing is that our solar panels get a little bit covered. So in here, I'll just show you, we've got 11.9 and really we're supposed to have 12.5, but this can dip a bit lower than 12.5, so 11.9 is kind of our lowest that we can dip down with the voltage over the batteries. So yeah, I'll show you this again here. This little thing here is a charge controller for a generator. So this connects to the batteries, goes down into the bank here, and then it plugs in, here it is, plugs in to the Jenny. And so all the way across here behind that house we got a little generator, and we'll go start that in a minute. But before we do, I'll show you why we're not getting much power. So the panels are up on there. I don't know if I'll be able to show you exactly, but underneath that bump there is solar panels. The wires come down into that junction box just there, and then down and into that building. But with a foot of snow on top of the panels, that is not gonna work out for us. So I want to get those panels angled. Let's go check out the generator and get her started. So when the time is right, I'm going to angle those panels up a little bit. They were angled based on the year-round average of where the sun sits, but it's going to be better to have them steeper, I think. So we just got this little generator here. It was already here when we moved onto this property, and it's perfect. Let's see if we can get it started. This will be fun for the camera. Oh, it's cold. Wow, we've got to get this going. Come on. Oh, you know what? I need some fuel. Okay. Just a day in the life here, hey? I'm doing the Howie Jones style video today for Morgan's benefit. So the reality is, I might bore you to death. Get my keys. There's a likelihood that I'm going to bore you to death, or you might be quite entertained by this Alan's eye view of daily life. Yeah, it's pretty snowy, eh? We got good old dump over the last 2 days here. But I did plan ahead just about enough to get some of this. So it takes about 30-40 bucks to fill this canister up, and it probably lasts us about a month or 3 weeks, maybe, I don't know. I need to do the calculations. But this is just the reality of off-gridding. I don't have any other source of power at all, so it happens to be the easiest, quickest way to get things going. Alright. Might have to rest this phone down somewhere. Well, I don't think you need to see the rest of this anyway, but we're going to fill that up, fire it up, and get her going. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you weren't too bored. If you made it to the end, stick a little snowflake in the comments.